Break the leaves. Yes! Oh, baby. Scissors. Oh, my precious. Okay, so. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Ooh, lunar gray black 16-inch Intel Core DDR. Okay, we're ready. Instructions. You go there. Don't move. Ooh. Yes. Bump, 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 bump. Okay, that's a screen. MSI Creator Z16. I've been playing with this for a few days since we did the unboxing, and I've been trying to think about how we'd approach this. There's a couple of ways you can deal with a computer. Now, I don't really do the speeds and feeds stuff myself, and I'm not a gamer, but I do have a respect for the right hardware and doing your homework on that. So from a pure tech perspective, the Intel i7 CPU, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU, all of it, this is a formidable machine for a gamer. And you don't need me to tell you that. MSI is in the running on every list of gaming laptops I've seen. But I was more interested in it as a high-end laptop for our video and sound editors and serious power users. With this size of screen, with this much power, and the absolute beauty of the high-definition screen, this is a serious machine for graphics-intensive work, video, and sound editing. Yes, it's blazing fast. Yes, it will handle a heavy workload, editing, rendering, but beyond the purely technical and the brute force of the machine, there's the experience of the laptop, and they got a lot of that right. I spend hours in front of a machine. I see my machine more than I see my coworkers. Actually, maybe sad to say, I spend more time in front of it than my friends and maybe even my family. So I don't want to just be liking the stuff I have. I want a reason to love it. I want to have fun, and I want to be maybe even delighted. So I notice little things. The backlit keyboard, the cool color show that it does, it's sweet. The touch screen, really nice. Yes, the mouse pad, yes, the keyboard, but being able to reach up and touch the screen and use it intuitively, to have that experience, that's fabulous. And although I use 2 monitors, if I put this in the office, I might lose one of them. The 16-inch screen is big enough to have 2 documents and even 2 applications on it at once. And with multiple desktops that are easy to use, and with the touch screen easy to select, you just touch and shift. But even though I do very little video editing or anything like that, the screen resolution and experience is incredible. Take a look at this. So real. It's almost scary. Great screen resolution, great visually, but the sound, unbelievable. I have high-end Sonos speakers in my house, great sound. But this machine, it has incredible sound for a laptop. Gamer? Game on. Video editor? Sound editor? I think this machine's got it. Or if, like me, you just want a killer in terms of performance and great video and sound, this is worth looking at. And if you don't need all of the raw power, or you want to get longer battery life or some other nuance, it's configurable within the productivity portal. So, for a little more weight, this is an office or even a road warrior machine. And if you like music, I was listening to my favorite musician, me, no, just seriously. I have other musicians that are more than favorite than me, but we can use my music royalty free. I know every note and tone on the album though, and the sound on this laptop blew me away. Check it out, and maybe you'll agree with the song. I ain't
on loving you. I need on loving you. Yeah, no, I need on loving you.
This has been Jim Loves Technology. Catch you next time.
Here's a short list of the top features of the Creator Z16. A powerful 8-core Intel processor, 32 gigabytes of memory, and the NVIDIA graphics. But that's not all. The laptop also carries a 16-inch display with a wide color gamut. Its 1 terabyte solid-state drive ensures fast access to media. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports help move files quickly between external devices, and 2 USB ports for all your peripherals. Finally, the laptop comes with a quad-speaker stereo sound system by Dynaudio.